Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the topic is measurement. Okay, subtraction using standard units. The standard unit is liter and milliliter. Example 1, subtract 8 liter 450 milliliter from 28 liter 750 milliliter. So now you write liter and milliliter. Next, here 28 liter 750 milliliter minus subtraction. So you write minus 8 liter 450 milliliter. Okay, 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 2. 2 minus 0 equal to 2. Next we are going to learn about the life related problems. Example number 2. Sharma family have 2 buckets in their house. The capacity of one bucket is 4 liter 450 milliliter and the other one is 5 liter 180 milliliter. What is the total capacity of 2 buckets? So Sharma have 2 buckets. The first bucket, the one bucket first bucket capacity is 4 liter 450 milliliter and next bucket the capacity is 5 liter 180 milliliter. Okay, now you write the answer. Capacity of the first bucket, 4 liter 450 milliliter. Next, capacity of the second bucket, 5 liter 180 milliliter. So the total capacity of 2 buckets, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Okay, 3. Next you write 1. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay. Next 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So the total capacity is 9 liter 630 milliliter. Students, turn the page number 25. Example 3. A motor car consumed 188 liter of petrol and 145 liter 375 milliliter in the month of January and February. Okay, what is the difference in the petrol consumption? So first month January petrol consumption value is 188 liter. Okay, next February month it consumed the value is 145 liter 375 milliliter. Okay, so now you write here petrol consumed in the month of January, petrol consumed in the month of February. So the petrol consumed in the month of January is 188 liter. Okay, next petrol consumed in the month of February is 145 liter and 375 milliliter. Okay, now what's the question? What is the difference? So difference means you subtract the values. Okay, so what's the difference? Here you borrow the value of 8. So 8, here 7 you write. Next 10. Now you borrow 9. Next 10, 9, next 10. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So petrol consumed more in the month of January is 42 liter 625 milliliter. Okay. Next, exercise 3.3. Add the following. So you add the value 25 liter 830 milliliter to add 42 liter 126 milliliter. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Do the next sum. 13 liter 645 milliliter, 54 liter 143 milliliter. Okay, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Do the next sum. 13 liter 250 milliliter. 32 liter 140 milliliter. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Subtract the following. 15 liter 400 milliliter minus 7 liter 300 milliliter. Okay. So 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. 15 minus 7 equal to 8. Okay. The second question. 29 liter 910 milliliter minus 21 liter 500 milliliter. So 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Next question. 63 liter 560 milliliter minus 34 liter 230 milliliter. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Next. 6. Here you are borrow. 3 minus 4 is equal to, you did not do. So, you borrow the value of 6. 6. Here you write 5. So, 3, 13. You change the value of 13. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And turn the page number 26. Solve the following. The first question. Ramu filled the petrol in his two cars. The first one holds the capacity of 23 liter 500 milliliter and the second one holds the capacity 15 liter 750 milliliter. Find the total quantity of petrol. Total. So now you add the value. Okay. So the capacity of petrol in the first car is how much? 23 liter 500 milliliter, and capacity of the petrol in the second car is 15 liter 750 milliliter. The second car capacity is 15 liter 750 milliliter and the first car petrol capacity is 23 liter 500 milliliter. Now you add the value. So total quantity of petrol in two cars. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Remaining 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the total quantity of petrol in two cars is 39 liter 250 milliliter. Okay. Next question. Man has some cows. They give milk in the first week 48 liter 480 milliliter and in the second week 57 liter 530 milliliter. Find the total capacity of milk. So, in the milk given in the first week is how much? 48 liter 480 milliliter. And the second week it given 57 liter and 530 milliliter. So, find the total capacity. Total means you add the value. Okay. So, the total capacity of milk is 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Now you write 1. Next, remaining 1. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So remaining 1. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Remaining 1. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So the total capacity of milk is 106 liter 10 milliliter. Next question. The fruit juice used in the function are given below. Cool drinks and capacity. So the cool drinks are given: apple juice, mango juice, grape juice, lemon juice. Here capacity also given. So the capacity of the apple juice is 16 liter 500 milliliter. The capacity of mango juice is 23 liter 160 milliliter. Capacity of grape juice is 19 liter 650 milliliter. Capacity of lemon juice is 20 liter 350 milliliter. Find the total quantity of juice used in the above table. Okay. So the first question, apple juice plus lemon juice. The second question, mango juice plus grape juice. The third question, lemon juice plus mango juice. So now you write the first question. quantity of the apple juice. Apple juice is how much? 16 liter 500 milliliter. Next, the quantity of the lemon juice is 20 liter 350 milliliter. Now you add the value. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 6 plus 0 equal to 6. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So the total quantity of juices is 36 liter 850 milliliter. Okay. Next, the second question. Mango juice plus grape juice is equal to. So the quantity of the mango juice is how much? 23 liter 160 milliliter, and the quantity of the grape juice is 19 liter 650 milliliter. So the total quantity, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, 3 plus 9 is equal to 12, remaining 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the total quantity of the juice is 42 liter 810 milliliter. Find the total quantity of juice, lemon juice plus mango juice. So lemon juice is 20 liter 350 milliliter. Mango juice is 23 liter 160 milliliter. Okay. So 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Remaining 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So the total quantity of juice is 43 liter 510 milliliter. Okay. The next question. The shopkeeper had 43 liter 750 milliliter of groundnut oil. He sold 24 liter 350 milliliter. How much oil was left? You understand? Left with him. So you subtract the value. Okay. So the total quantity of the groundnut oil is how much? 43 liter 750 milliliter. And the quantity of groundnut, how much he sold? 24 liter 350 milliliter. So how much groundnut oil is left? 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Next, 3 minus 4 you cannot do. So you write 3, 13. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So the quantity of the groundnut oil left is 19 liter 400 milliliter. Okay. Next question. A bucket contains 15 liter 500 milliliter of water. Gobi poured out 5 liter 200 milliliter to water the plants. How much water is left? So you subtract the value. Left in the bucket. So the total quantity of water is 15 liter 500 milliliter. So how much water he give to the plants? 5 liter and 200 milliliter. Okay. So water left in the bucket is 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So water left in the bucket is 10 liter 300 milliliter. Next question. I purchased 73 liter of milk. My sister has taken 34 liter 500 milliliter of milk. So how much milk is left for me? Left. So you subtract the value. Okay. So total milk how much purchased? 73 liter. Next, how much milk taken? 34 liter 500 milliliter. So the how much milk is left? 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. So here you cannot do 0 minus 5. So you borrow the value. Okay. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Milk left is 38 liter 500 milliliter. Next, find the difference between these two cans. Quantity of the liquid in the first can is 30 liter 500 milliliter. In the second can is 22 liter 300 milliliter. Okay, so find the difference. The difference means you subtract the value. Okay, so the difference between the two cans, 0 minus 0 equal to 0, 0 minus 0 equal to 0, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next, here 3 minus 2 cannot do, so you borrow 3, here you write 2, here 10, 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So the difference between two cans is 8 liter 200 milliliter. Students, turn the page number 27. Estimation of volume of liquid contains in a vessel and verification by measuring. Situation. What's the situation? Sheila's mother prepared an orange juice for her daughter's friends. So Sheila's mother prepared the orange juice. Sheila wants to share the juice with her 4 friends equally. So how many friends are there? 4. But before that, they want to know how much juice does the bottle contains. They have given an estimated measurement of 950 ml. So the estimate value of orange juice is 950 milliliter. They want to measure the juice in a 200 milliliter glass through that they want to verify. They found that the bottle juice fills the 5 200 milliliter glasses completely. From this, they have come to know that the bottle 1000 milliliter of juice. So now here listen, 200, how many glasses are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 200, 200 plus 200, 400. 400 plus 200, 600. 600 plus 200, 800. 800 plus 200, 1000. So how much value of the juice is there? 1000 ml of juice. 1000 milliliter of juice. Okay. Now you do one activity. Measure your daily consumption of water for drinking, washing and bathing. If you do not have marker, you can use bottles to do rough calculation, for which you are using more water, and give reason to reduce water. Students, turn the page number 28, exercise 3.4. Estimate how much liquid each object can hold. So hints are there: 500 milliliter, 100 milliliter, 50 milliliter, 25 milliliter, 20 liter. Okay. So first one, glass of milk. Glass can hold 100 milliliter of milk. Okay. Next one, can hold 500 milliliter of water. Next one, this bottle can hold 50 milliliter of syrup. Next, it can hold 25 milliliter of ink. Next, bucket can hold 20 liter of water. Okay students, thank you. Today class is over.